Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tushar Sehrawat, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about a revolutionary product that will transform your home or office, solid WPC doors. WPC stands for wood polymer composite, which means these doors are made from a combination of wood fibers and polymers, making them unique and perfect for use as a door. Manufactured by Sehrawat Brothers, these doors are available online at www.mywallpanels.com, and we offer free home delivery all over India. What's more, we are proud to offer customization of these doors at no extra cost, so you can get a door that's truly unique to your home. Our solid WPC doors are available in both 2D and 3D designs and multiple color options to match your decor. And if you have any questions or want more information, check out the WhatsApp link in the description box below. These doors are fully waterproof and termite proof, and we even do UV coating on the doors to give them a longer life. Plus, they come with a 15-year warranty, so you can be sure that you are getting a high-quality product. But that's not all. We can even do printing on these doors as per customer requirements. That means you can have your family photo or any canvas design printed right onto your door using our latest UV printer. Solid WPC doors are highly durable and customizable, making them a great choice for any home or office. They are resistant to warping, cracking, and fire, and they are incredibly strong and impact resistant, making them a secure choice for areas of your home where security is a concern. So, if you are in the market for a new door that's durable, customizable, and secure, be sure to check out our solid WPC doors. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. Don't forget to visit www.mywallpanels.com to see our range of solid WPC doors and take advantage of our free home delivery all over India. Thanks for watching, Namaskar, and Jai Hind.